How old are you? I am. What is the name of your school? What color do you like? What fruit do you like? Orange. Where do you live? I live. Yeah. Yes, Soton. Okay, where you come from?
I came from Thailand.
Who is your Thai teacher? My Thai teacher? Teacher Ip, right? Teacher Ip. Who is your English teacher? My English? Teacher Margie. Who is your best friend? My best friend? Oh, Shinto.